Do you hate your own website? Or does it embarrass you a little, but you aren't sure how to fix it? Meet Roast and Toast, a website review designed for solo marketers who could use a second set of eyes and maybe a gentle nudge in the right direction. For just $99, we'll give your homepage a thorough once-over. No fluff, no jargon, no full site audits that take weeks, just a sharp, honest review of what's working and what's not, and where to go from here. In your Roast and Toast, I'll do a visual assessment of your homepage, looking specifically into the user experience of your site. I'll look at the design, messaging, and accessibility of your homepage so you can be sure it's saying, "Trust me," and not, "I was made in 2010. You'll also get a review of important behind-the-scenes stuff like SEO, page speed, and accessibility. Things that can have a big impact on the effectiveness of your site. You probably noticed I mentioned accessibility again. Well, we review it twice because it's that important. Get a fresh perspective on your website from someone who lives for this kind of thing. In under 48 hours, you'll receive a 15 to 20 minute video review, a technical audit, toast for the things you're doing well, and 3 quick win suggestions for improvement that should make a big impact. This Roast and Toast isn't a teardown, it's support, it's strategy, it's a fresh, honest review to help your homepage start pulling its weight in your marketing efforts. So stop guessing and start improving. Sign up for your Roast and Toast website review today.